Most of us start our day by brushing our teeth, and may have strong opinions about which toothpaste they prefer. Some prefer plain white toothpaste, some like mint-flavored and some like bubblegum-flavored. There are numerous choices in the market. But are you sure that the toothpaste you are using is safe? Some of the toxic ingredients used in commercial toothpastes are triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, propylene glycol, microbeads and diethanolamine, to name a few. Also, commercial toothpastes are flavored with artificial sweeteners like aspartame. So, how do you keep your teeth clean if the commercial toothpaste you bought is not safe? Activated charcoal helps whiten your teeth by reducing stains and plaque on your teeth. In fact, the microporous charcoal works by binding to compounds that stain teeth, including coffee and red wine. Now, to make homemade activated charcoal toothpaste for teeth whitening. The ingredients you are going to need is activated charcoal, 1/2 teaspoon eggshell powder, 1 tablespoon extra virgin coconut oil, melted, 1 tablespoon. How to make it? 1. Put 1/2 teaspoon of activated charcoal in a bowl. 2. Add 1 tablespoon of eggshell powder. 3. Then add 1 tablespoon of melted, extra virgin coconut oil. 4. Mix the ingredients with a non-metallic spatula or spoon until you get a smooth paste-like consistency. 5. Your homemade toothpaste is ready to use. Transfer it to an airtight container. How to use it? Put a small amount of your homemade toothpaste on your toothbrush, using a small spatula or spoon. Brush your teeth as usual, giving equal attention to the front as well as the back of your teeth. Once you're done brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can use this toothpaste daily. Additional informations. This homemade toothpaste does not contain any baking soda, meaning it's not abrasive on your teeth. You can make the eggshell powder at home. For the recipe, check this page. You can also add a little Himalayan salt to the toothpaste. It will help kill oral bacteria and reduce the risk of gum disease. You can store the toothpaste in the medicine cabinet. There is no need to refrigerate it. The toothpaste will last for several months. If it begins to dry out, add a bit more melted, extra virgin coconut oil and mix well before use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video and have learned something new, please subscribe to the channel. With